And let's go ahead and see how to switch back and forth between Kanban view and table view, and what are the things that we can get out of it. So let's go ahead and click on this project that I have already. And as you can see, I'm already in the Kanban view. So the easiest way to go there is to click on tasks in the left hand side menu bar, and then click on the switch. You can switch between table view and Kanban view. I'm going to show you the table view in a second. So in Kanban view, you can see there are a lot of things that is directly visible to you. And the first thing is like, is it a bug? And this is the status of it, and this is the priority of it, right? So it could be a bug or feature or an enhancement or anything, and it is open, which means it is yet to be worked on, and the priority is low. And here it is shown that like it has only one screen, 2 attached files, and 1 comment has been made, and it has not been assigned to anybody. So these are the things that you can get it at a glance. Now, if you click on it and this window comes up, you can see that it is unassigned. The status is opened, and if you put it in progress and you change it from bug to enhancement, and then I'm going to close it, then you can go ahead and see the change here. Like it changed to enhancement, and it is now in progress. So there are a lot of information that you can immediately get in just a glance, that is going to help you get the idea of where things stand in a very short period of time. And the same thing can be done if you continue to add more phases, and you can see the overall view of what is happening through your project, and which are the things that are open, what is the priority of those things that are currently in progress, and what are the things that you need to pay some specific attention to. And if you assign the task to somebody, then you're going to see their profile image over here. So I'm going to show this example. So if I assign it to let's say myself, and then I'm going to close it, then I can see that here it is. I've not added a profile picture, but if I did, it will be shown here, and it's also just shows my name in very short form. So that also helps my teammates know that I'm on it, and if they want someone to answer for it, they can directly contact me for the same. And there are other things that can definitely help you, like you can drag a task through one phase to another. You can create another phase. You can add a task right underneath a phase and assign it immediately, which also helps in improving your workflow. Then also, like, you can use these filters with all these checks. You can just click buttons, who reported it, and what is the status, what is the priority, and on the basis of that, you can immediately get which are the tasks that are remaining. So for example, if you want to know which tasks are currently open and currently are on high priority, all you need to do is click on high and click on open. And then, I mean, of course, there are no tasks over here. That's why there is nothing, but you get the idea. And it is very simple in case you are looking for something immediate at some critical stages. Then you can also use the search bar to go and find something that you're looking for immediately. And the same thing goes for the table view too. You can find out which particular task that you're looking for through the filters or through the search bar, and you can immediately create a task using this plus button. So that's all about it. It's quite easy to use, a very simple UI, a lot of functionalities, and I hope it helps you. So thanks for watching.